Let's take a look at how to use the parking brake on the Nissan Rogue. So firstly, the parking brake is on the middle of the center console here. It's right underneath the shifter. And you can see right now the parking brake is enabled. So we want to have that on when we're parked, certainly if we're parked on a hill. Now, in order to switch it off, we first need to have our foot on the brake. You don't want the car to start sliding. If you have the parking brake on, you want to make sure you got the foot on the brake before it switches off. Now we're going to press this in to disable that parking brake. And it's a little bit confusing because it takes about 3 seconds. So you might be pressing it and going, it's not working, and then you start pulling it, and then it switches it back on. It's very confusing that way. So again, make sure to press it just once, give it about 3 seconds, and then it should be off. Make sure you've got your foot on the brake when you do that. Now, if you want to switch the parking brake on, we're going to do this in reverse. We're actually going to have our foot on the brake and pull it towards us. Again, give it about 3 seconds. The light will come on. Now we can safely take our foot off the brake, and we're good to go on that. So again, just make sure you're a little patient because it takes a second for each setting to enable, and the light doesn't come on until it is ready to go.